Hi guys, it's Mrs. Olson here to read you Chapter 5 of Diary of a Pug. Looking back for Chapters 3 and 4, we learned that Bella and Bub were going to make a rocket ship for the Inventor Challenge. And when they went outside to test it out, Bub took his favorite bear and Nuts snuck off with it way up high in a tree. And Bub climbed on the rocket to try to get Bear back, but it wasn't very successful. He crashed into the tree and the rocket was destroyed. So they went to bed at the end of chapter 4 feeling pretty sad and frustrated. So let's read chapter 5 to figure out how they problem solve. Okay, so chapter 5 is called Pug versus Squirrel. It's dated Tuesday. Dear Diary, I spent all morning searching for the missing rocket pieces. I found almost all of them. I found Bear, too, but there was one piece still missing, a wing. Guess who had it? And there he is in the tree. Looking for this? Oh, great. Just great. When did Bub go searching for all the missing pieces? Yep, he went all morning, or in the morning would be a good answer. Who had the missing wing? Yep, it was Nuts. He had the missing wing. I used my famous begging face on Nuts. Please, 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 please give it back. But Nuts wanted to make a deal. If I give you the wing, what will you give me in exchange? I racked my brain. What could I trade with Nuts? What does Nuts love? He loves to annoy me. Wait, Nuts loves peanuts. I bet Nuts would really love peanut butter. I wasn't exactly thrilled to give up some peanut butter, but I had no choice. Anything to make Bella happy again. Okay. Who used his baking face? Bub. What did Nuts want to do? He wanted to make a deal. What idea did Bub have to solve his problem? He was going to trade some peanut butter. Nuts had never heard of peanut butter before, so I had to really talk it up. This required a special outfit, of course. Introducing peanut butter. Imagine the best thing you've ever tasted. Now multiply that by 1 trillion. It's an explosion of flavor. The yummiest thing on earth. I'm listening, says Nuts. It can all be yours for the price of 1 rocket wing. A real bargain. I could tell Nuts was interested. His tail was twitching. Finally, he ran down the tree trunk. Move that up a little bit. Okay, I'll give you the wing for 2 jars of peanut butter. Couldn't believe it, but oops, I had only 1 jar of peanut butter with me, so I raced back inside to get another. Who dressed up in a special outfit? What did Nuts do when he was showing interest in the peanut butter? Yep, he was twitching his tail. Okay, how many jars of peanut butter did Nuts want? He wanted 2, and how many jars did Bub have? He only had 1. So what did Bub do after he figured out he had only 1 jar? He went inside to get another. I grabbed a second jar from the pantry and dashed back outside, just as, boom, the sky clapped with thunder and rain came pouring down. Diary, I had no choice. The deal would have to wait until tomorrow. Bella came home from school a little later, and I tried to tell her about my day. I showed her all the rocket parts I found. You're a good dog, Bub, but we're still missing the wing, the most important part. Bella searched for the wing herself, but Nuts must have hidden it. She tried to make a new wing, but we didn't have enough cardboard or tape. I have made a promise to myself, Diary. Rain or no rain, I will get that wing for Bella tomorrow. So what happened when Bub dashed back outside? He heard thunder and it began to rain. When was Bub going to try making the deal? Yep, he was going to have to wait until tomorrow. What part were they still missing from the rocket? The wing. Okay. So that's chapter 5. Go ahead and take a look at your packet work and do the quizzes for chapter 5. And I will see you guys when it's time to read chapter 6.